Hello everyone! Sorry, I'm a minute late. Everyone in the chat's going like, oh no, he scammed you. Donut late, no! I'm donut late. But, okay. So, this is the game I'm working on. I'll change it to... It's bubble wrap. You pop the bubbles. So we can click the bubbles and pop them. So I want to work on this game. I've kind of not worked on it for a while. So I want to make it better. So yeah, it's meant to be bubble wrap, but even more satisfying. And you can't run out, because if I pop this bubble here, it will refresh. And you can wishlist this on Steam right now. The link's in the description. Okay, something I want to do is let you add custom bubbles. Like, add Steam, because this is a Steam game. I could add Steam Workshop. And I could make it so you could add custom bubbles. Maybe I could have a custom bubble with a custom sound effect. I don't really know how I'm going to make that work, but it would be fun. And also, oh, my computer's dying. Who cares? Also, I've got errors. Yeah, I think I can ignore that. Oh dear, the chat's just saying donut late. Hello donut, hello. Add mods, yeah, that's how I'm doing it. Try making it where there's different color bubbles and you get points. Now, I'm not going to be taking any suggestions at the moment. I'm just going to do my own thing. So this is something. I think that's code I stole. It's got an error in it. Who cares? Okay. Oh yeah, I've already made a script. Oh, that's copy pasted. Okay. So a custom bubble needs a. I can't really be bothered to explain the code. I'm just doing this so I don't procrastinate and actually get work done. Donut, I've been waiting for an hour. The stream said it would start at 9. It's 9 now. Public class custom bubble. We can have wait. So, what we need for custom bubbles is an unpopped image, a popped image, and a sound effect. But the sound effects can be different to the bubbles. So I don't really know what I'm doing in my own game. Yeah, so if you're commenting suggestions in the chat, I am not adding any of your suggestions today. This is a very serious coding. Very serious. Okay, so maybe if I get Visual Studio Code, I'll move this to a different screen. I want to see what I want to do. Okay. Because maybe because I want to add like modded bubbles, like you can add your own. So we can. There's this thing called JSON, and it looks something like this. So we can have like, we can have fire in the hole, and then we can have path, and it will give you the file path, and it will be like slash fire in the hole .mp3. So I'm just trying to figure out how I'm gonna store this. Okay. I don't know how to do JSON, it seems. What? How is this meant to work? Oh, maybe that, yeah, that's the problem. So we can have sounds. And we can have bubbles. Someone said you did a stream like yesterday. Donutask, such a professional streamer now. I can do GD face unpop, and that can be null dot tng. So I'm just trying to figure out how I want the data to look like. And then we can have there's 3 things a bubble can be. It can be popped, it can be unpopped, and it can be a preview for the UI. And we could do something like that. So we can have a list of sounds. We can have a list of images, like bubbles. Okay. Grass in the elevator, water on the hill, fire in the hole. Yeah. This is such a relevant meme, isn't it? Right. Okay, someone's saying add bubble upgrades. This is the first stream I'm in, of yours I'm in. Hello, Ben. I'm not adding any user suggestions in this stream, because otherwise I'll get too distracted. Like, the whole reason I'm doing this is so I don't get distracted and actually do something for once. Because this game's been sitting around and I've been doing nothing in it. Okay, so... custom... custom stuff... data... and we can have... I think all the code I've made actually sucks. I forgot even how how it works. Okay, I'll have to look at how I've made this work. I think I need someone said hello. Public class bubble sand. So classes store stuff, and they all, I don't know how. I'm not explaining C#. This is going to be the most boring stream ever, isn't it? Public string ID. So a sound can have an ID to actually know what it is, and a audio clip, I think it's called. That's the actual audio. And then bubble class bubble image, I don't know, bubble data. Do I already have a... Oh bro, I've already got this. Yeah, that's how bad my code is. I need a... Also, guys can just steal my code, it seems. Bubble data. Wow. I can just steal that, okay. So we can have public sound data array sounds, and then a do you like donuts, Donut? Yep. Bubble data. Oh, I just deleted something. Okay, maybe doing this on the stream was a bad idea. I'm turning into mush. Okay, so we can have sounds and bubbles. That can all wait. So now I need to make it so you can add custom bubbles and save and load them. Maybe we should just do load. So start. We want to read the file where everything's saved. Give subscribers the game early. Yeah, I actually might give channel members a Steam key early, but it's not done yet. I keep adding random stuff like this. So I need to save load dot load. I need to copy this. So I need to load the custom stuff. So maybe we can do custom. What should I call it? Custom stuff, mods. Yeah, mods. Someone said, I will hack you Scratch projects if no suggestions. Okay, there's no suggestions. You're a donut. What? I am a Donutask. Mod save path. Your whole chat is spam. It is. I've turned slow mode on. I might need to turn it on even slower. Okay, I think what I can do is save mods, and then we can have mod data. Oh no, custom stuff data, and then mod. I might need to change this to be better. Can I object data path? This can be save JSON. This is such fun saving and loading code, isn't it? And then we can have, oh dear, I think this will have to be different. Load mods. What is chat saying? My password is 44Liam. Thank you. Everyone make sure to write that one down. Here donut. What? Mods loot mod safe path. Callback.invoke. Custom stuff data. Okay. So now we can do load mods. And then we have a callback. So I think how this works is I get a C# is weird. It's wacky. And I can log it. Okay. Will the game be paid to play? Yeah, probably. I might have a free trial though, because this takes a long time. Games take a long time to make, and I want to make this one as good as possible, so it probably will have to be paid. It's not gonna be like $1 million though. Uh-oh. I messed something up. I changed some code and it broke stuff. Say do. Okay. Don't know, what's your opinion on Brazil? It's got a nice flag. Are you trying to get me cancelled or something? He read my comment. Yeah, that's rare. Don't ask, slow mode is on, it is. It's not slow enough though. How many donuts you eat in your life? Too many to count. Donut collection reveal? I eat them all. I like your videos. Oh, thank you. Oh, what? I managed to make some mess. Oh, here. What game are you working on? Oh, it's called Bubble Wrap. I'll show you right now. Well, Unity's got a giant loading bar. Oh, it takes forever to load. Okay, setup reveal. It's just this computer, a monitor here. Did Unity just crash? No, it didn't. Okay. It's my gaming laptop here, monitor here, microphone, GoPro. That's the Donutask setup. What is beyond the wall? We don't talk about that. When will you release the Steam game? When it's done, which I'm hoping is soon. Don't know, how did you go from Scratch to Python or whatever the heck is that code? It's C#. It's used in Unity. It's a game engine. And I learned that shortly after Scratch. Well, not shortly, like years after, but... So this is the game. It's... You get bubbles, you pop the bubbles, and it's relaxing. Woof! And then, when you run out of bubbles, which will be soon... Yeah, okay, we've got one bubble left. You get more bubbles! And then you've got this satisfying pop counter. And then there's all these customization options, so you can change the bubbles. You can do whatever you want, really. And you can even say... Oh, that was some testing out there. Whoa. Oh dear, this menu is so broken. What have I done? Yes, that's the game. Go buy donuts so we can see them. I don't think I can do that live on stream. Please just update the Scratch version. Yeah, I haven't worked on the Scratch version for a while. Okay, someone's waving. Hello. Okay. So I don't think the thing did it. I don't think this did anything. Probably because it's not added to a script. I want to make Steam Workshop work. Make this competitive. Oh, that's a good idea. I've tried to add a multiplayer option. Multiplayer is harder than you think. Well, okay, you might think it's hard, but it's annoying, okay? And I want to do that, but I'll have to wait for a future release. Because it's barely... It doesn't function. Okay, if data not... Okay, so if we load some custom bubbles, we want to do something with it. Someone asked, you quit Scratch? No, I didn't. I still use Scratch. Then show us your credit card. Credit card reveal? Okay. Data.sound. If data sound is not equal. So to make this work, I need to load data. Okay, someone's saying great setup and waving. Thanks, it's truly the setup of all time. Oh. So what I want to do is load everything, so I have to go through everything, which is going to be such a fun time. Scratch is the best. It's good, but you need a... It's very limited, so that's why I need to... That's why I'm doing this in Unity with this complicated coding stuff. So I can do more stuff with it. Can you add a shop system? I kind of want to add a shop, but I also just don't want to restrict everything. I might. Like, I want to add like challenges. So you have to pop a certain amount of bubbles in a certain amount of time or something like that. But I'm not sure how to make that fair and fun and all that. And I'm not sure what the currency for a shop would be. Yeah, so everyone's just spamming make a shop. Yeah. I'm not really sure about how I would go about doing that. Okay. And if I load this, it'll just say null. I have an Alienware gaming laptop. We are on the same level. I've got a Republic of Gamers gaming laptop. Truly the best laptop of all time. Okay, yeah. So see null here. Ignore that error, who cares? Null means nothing loaded because we don't have anything there. So I will move my file explorer here so you don't snoop on my files, and I think I'll just move the data. Okay, it just said the file might be harmful to your computer. Now, what did I want the file to be called? Save load. Mods.json. Okay, so rename mods. That's a lot of code. Yep, that's like one script. This game's got a lot of code in it. Okay. So presets dot what? Oh, this is how the game stores all the presets you make. So you can like save colors and stuff. It makes a whole lot of files there. Please make a donut plushie. Oh, maybe one day I'll be big enough for those merch companies to get me a limited edition plush. Add special weapons? Nah. Okay. So I think I need to make this a array. So like that, and then so this is the data. I need to make sure it's the right way. Okay. I want to see if that works. I will report you to PayPal. What? Please don't. I hate PayPal. It's so annoying to use. Oh, you're saying it to the person who said I'm 10. Don't you have to be 13 to use YouTube? Did you not read the terms and conditions? Aha. So we're getting some stuff here. Custom stuff data. Alright. Tbug.log bubble.id and sound.id, and we'll need a there's something you have to do, systems.serializable. This makes it so you can actually save and load. Okay, why is someone spamming oh beep my phone? I didn't know my chat actually allowed swear words. How? I don't know how streaming works. Does your class know about your channel? I'm actually finished school, but yeah, they did. I actually made like a video for school explaining how searching and sorting algorithms work in Scratch. It was such a bad video, I didn't know what I was talking about. I also made a video for math class. Like, I solved the world's hardest math problem. I actually made 2, and they got me full marks. Okay. Something wrong. Sound. Oh, yeah, it doesn't show you the ID. Okay. ID. Far in the hole. So I need to make sure the data is the exact right way I want. And I think path. Yeah, that's alright. And then this needs to be ID. And then I need commas. Like that. Yeah. And then oh, I'll need to have strings instead of. So to store stuff in a text file, you need to store the path to the file. You can't store the actual file itself. But this loads the actual file itself, so I'll need to do something there. Okay, give me your PayPal info so I won't report you. Yeah, so my credit card number is 1. I'm using Scratch 1.4. Why would you do that to yourself? I'm playing a game where you sell donuts. Nice. Will you make a Unity tutorial? There's a lot of Unity tutorials out there. I don't know how to make one better. I want to make like a good video, not something that's already out there. Please say data, not data. No, I'm going to say data just to annoy you from now on. Okay, so I think we need string path. Okay, so mod sound data. And then we want mod bubble data. Forgot which one I was meant to be annoying with you. Meant to be annoying you with. Popped. Unpopped. And then preview. There's probably a better way to do this. Who cares? Oh. Okay, so that should log the things properly. That should be good enough. Okay, what are people saying now? I'm from a horror game. Yep, you're very scary. I'm making a horror game and releasing it on Google Play Store. Can you play it for a vid? Yeah, I might make another playing your games video at some stage. Just not now. Give me a shout out. Okay, Jimothy, there's a shout out. What part are you coding right now? Good question. First good question to the stream. I'm trying to make it so you can add custom bubbles. So imagine this scenario. You want to pop the geometry dash normal face while saying fire in the hole. It's a very common scenario, but my game doesn't let you do that right now. Just gives you a couple bubble types to work with. So what if you could add your own and you could do whatever you want? So that's what I want to do. So someone said, give me... Oh, I already gave them a shout. What is that emoji? Someone spammed person turquoise wizard wand. Alright. I followed you on Scratch, thank you. I use Roblox Studio. I actually found Roblox really hard to use. Do you play Geometry Dash? Yes. I'm not very good at it though. Okay. Now I need to add data to something where it can be used. Toast. Someone said toast. Yeah, I got toast bubbles in there. Bubble data dictionary. Okay, where's the sounds? I don't know how my own code works. Just let me stare into this and have no clue what I'm doing. Bubble sounds, okay. What's that? Oh dear. Okay, I think for bubbles I'll need a do you fire in the hole? Oh dear. I probably shouldn't have started that. Sounds. And then and then sounds, and then this needs to be an array. Okay. Do you TFG? I don't know what TFG means. Can you do a face reveal? Yeah. Oh no, I can't do a face reveal, sorry. I've got a file explorer in the way there. Who is more funny, you or Jackson Academy? Probably Jackson Academy. Can you do a face... Oh, someone's still spamming that. The stream delay is terrible. What What C# IDE do you use? Because VS Code ain't working for me. So there's VS Code and there's Visual Studio. Visual Studio Code is different to Visual Studio for some reason. Visual Studio is really good, but it's like, I'll show you. It's got so many buttons. I don't know what any of the buttons at the top do. I don't know what any of the buttons on the side do. There's so many useless menus here. All I care about is the stuff in the middle. But Visual Studio Code's more simple, but it's missing some features that you will never use. Elbow reveal? Elbow. Is that the elbow, or is this the elbow? Or is this the elbow? Who knows? Okay. Forgot what I was even doing there. Yeah, I want to add data to the... Okay, so new bubble data. Okay, so if I do enough streams of this, you could just steal my code and make your own bubble wrap. Okay, it's lagging. Make it so you can upload an image for bubbles. Yeah, so that's what I want to do. That's what I'm trying to work on right now. Okay, so I need to make it so you can load an image from a text, from a path. Don't know how to do that. Okay, ChatGPT, please help me. Make it so you can upload, you already did that. 5 times 5 equals 25. I can do math. I can do any math question you asked. Unity, load, image file from path. And while that's loading, I'll stay hydrated. Okay, oh, thanks ChatGPT. I'll just copy that. Oh. I don't know if you can see that, but change my screen stuff. Guys, please don't spam because it'll just ignore your messages. Yeah, that is true. I've been ignoring the spam. Okay, I think it's load texture from file. I can just steal that. Okay, what other questions do we have? How do I use AI voice? Actually, no clue. I don't use it. Load texture from file. And then we want bubble dot popped. Okay, someone said, say hi. Hi. I know this is weird, but will you add a boss? Okay, good question. I want to add like a giant bubble that takes forever to pop. And I want to add all these like challenges and stuff. And add lore to bubble wrap. That'd make a good clickbait thumbnail. But I actually need to get this game released. So I want to add that later. I just want to make this so you can actually play it. And this code I'm working on now is so you can add your own bubbles. So if I don't add a bubble, you can, instead of complaining to me about it. Okay, so that loads a texture from a file, but now we want a sprite from a file, and sprites are different to textures, and that sprites are different to sprites in Scratch, and Unity sucks. It makes everything annoying. Texture to sprite. Backside of chair reveal. Someone really wanted that. Okay, let's do a pause. The backside of my chair. I'm right against the wall. That was hard to spin. Okay, I really hope you wanted that. Okay, so new sprite. So a sprite is like an image, pretty much. And a texture is an image. But sprites and textures are different, and they're used for different things, and Unity sucks. Okay, how's long is stream going to be? Probably not too long, because I don't know. It's not gonna be like 10 hours. Don't worry about that. What? What? It's not telling me what I need to put in here. I have to Google how to make this work. Hey, father reveal. I actually did a father reveal in one of the episodes. Guessing flags blindfolded. So that actually had Dad Donutask in there. What is the... Oh no, I think I did it wrong. Okay, it's sprite.create. Thank you for doing my request. Oh, that's right. I don't even remember what it was. Okay, so dinner reveal. It's not even dinner time where I am. I have no clue what time zone it is where you are, but at the moment it's like early in the morning. Well, not early, but relatively early. Okay, so I think I can do sprite get sprite. So what I want to do is load an image from a file, which takes a while, but you can actually do that in Scratch, so this is pretty good. Okay, someone asked, the thing is, in IDEs there's usually autocomplete. I can't get my Visual Studio Code to have the autocomplete with extensions, so I need that one that comes built in with C# autocomplete. Yeah, so autocomplete was a pain to get setting up. I don't really remember what I did, but I just remember it never works half the time. So you'll just have to do a lot of Googling and ask ChatGPT and all that. Sorry about that, it sucks. Stop asking for reveals, someone asked. No, they're funny. What do you like better, Godot or Unity? Yeah, I like Unity better. I don't like how it screws over developers, but I do like Unity more because I've used it more. Hairline reveal, like this. It's 4:37 here in St. Louis. It's like in the afternoon, okay, not in the morning, okay. 5:38 in Ohio. Oh dear, one of you lives in Ohio? That must suck. File path. Okay. Load texture from file path. Okay, I want to make these async. Async means it doesn't lag as much because you can do it in the background instead of having to wait for the image to load. It will just load and then give it to you when it's ready. I think I can do this. Okay, so thank you so much for the hairline reveal. Oh dear. Read or bytes async. Have you mastered Unity or Scratch Free? Ohio. I've mastered both. Actually, I think I'm worse at Scratch. I need to wait. Texture load image. I think that works. The return type of an async method must be void, task, task t, or task like type. Okay, singing voice reveal. La, la, la. Okay, so task. So I want to make this not lag your game when you have a million. Say if you really like having custom bubbles, I don't want you to wait 10 years for the game to open. Dot threading, I think it's called. Tasks. Okay, someone's saying baby bingo, don't know what that means. Have you ever gone to the bathroom on stream not to be weird? Like, I have, but I have a screen saying, come back, I'm coming back soon. And I also don't show it on camera. Okay. Oh wait. So, how do I get that? Wait, how does a task work? Huh? Wait. I don't know how any of this works. How does task work? C#. Probably also see my search history from typing that box. Oh dear. Okay, so I talk French. French doesn't exist. I eat air. Breathing? Okay. Huh? How to use Task Unity. Will you make a 3D platformer? In Scratch? No. In Unity? I don't think it's really something I want to do. These articles are just written by ChatGPT these days. Okay. Oh dear, what is this? Task.factory? Okay, ChatGPT, help me. How do I use a task in Unity? Save me, please. Okay. Someone's spamming, thank you for doing my request. You don't need to spam it that much. I've seen it. Left ear reveal, so... Left ear right there. I can even do my right ear. Okay. Oh, good, thank you. Okay, so I can... Task faltered, task... What? Wait, maybe I need to... What if I do something else? I do an action... So I need... I don't know how async stuff works really well, except there is a hack I found. System... Using system. Okay. I just want this to work. Sucks. Okay, and I think I make that void. We return... We, call back... Dot invoke... Texture... Okay, thank you for reading mine like 10 times. Oh dear, have I done that? Texture to sprite. Huh? Okay, maybe I... Why? I don't know how my own code work. Oh, that worked. No, it doesn't work. Cannot avoid void. Why can't I... What? Okay. I don't know what I'm doing there. Add the spider merchant to cookie clicker. Oh dear. Did the 24-hour timeout run out? I think I might have to... Okay, put user in timeout. Okay, everyone else in chat, you decide how long the timeout should be. I can do from 10 seconds to 24 hours. This is a democracy here. Okay, load texture from file path, texture to sprite. Maybe we can have a callback here. No action, sprite. Okay, so we're getting some things for 24 hours, 5 minutes, 24 hours, 10 hours, 4 minutes, 20 seconds. I think everyone's saying 24 hours. If you want to lock in 24 hours, I've got the timeout. Actually, I'll bring it over here. I've got the timeout button here. Boop. There we go. I hope I timed out the right person there. Sorry if I timed out someone innocent. No. Well, I could have the chat over here. Nah, that would be too smart. Okay, callback.invoke. I've just got a whole mess here. I'm not even going to bother explaining it. Okay, so I want to call. So we can have a we can say debug.log s. Okay, and then actually we could have action sprite callback. So callback is like the code finishes, then it makes some other code run, and we can dot get sprite. Okay, I thought it was for everyone, the timeout. No, it was just for one dude who kept spamming. I have the power. Get sprite. Okay, so I want b.id and then p dot maybe I can okay, I'm thinking okay, someone said ban me. Okay, I'll ban you. How do I ban? So there's put user in timeout, pin message, report, remove, hard user on this channel, or add as moderator. I kinda wanna click add as moderator, but that could be bad. Okay, I'm gonna ban you for a whole 10 seconds. Also, my code, they're terrible again. Equals S. Huh? Oh. Okay, get sprite b dot pop. I don't know if this is gonna work, guys. This is not looking so good. Okay, so I want to be moderator. I actually think moderators can actually do more stuff than I don't want to just throw that away. Throw moderator out, because that could actually mess stuff up. Okay. Oh, also code is meant to have comments in it. I don't know what it does though, so maybe I go like gets the sprite and gets the needed sprites. Lol. Hope this works. XOXOXO. I also need a dot bubble. Okay. I eat bathtub soap bubbles. Good on you. Create temp class. Add to dictionary. That's ChatGPT. Okay, Unity will just take a while to open. Put Vine Boom sound effect in your game. Yeah, so I'm adding the custom bubbles feature. We'll let you add custom sound effects, so you can have fire in the hole and actually I can't really do the Vine Boom. Vine Boom. Is it like so you'll be able to add them yourself. So you can add whatever sound you want, even if it's stupid or sus or whatever. I don't care. Someone says, please, I really want to be moderator. I probably should Google what moderator can do. Because, they probably could ban me or something. I don't want that to happen. Okay, someone said ban me. Oh, okay. Wait, isn't this the same person? I'll just keep going up the ladder. Okay. So here's a problem I just had. It's trying to load files that don't exist. Oh, I'm a bit stupid. Okay. If file dot... Oh. I need to import some things. So I need to check if files exist. That would be a good thing. Otherwise it will give you an error. Okay. So if file dot exists path. Okay, we probably should do if doesn't exist. If path dot combine application dot persistent data path and path. I'm just making sure it checks for files everywhere. Like, where would you? It's gonna try and smartly figure out where the file is. Okay, I might need something. Okay, so public. This probably shouldn't be public. Mod folder. So a mod folder is gonna store your mods. Return. And that's just going to be, so application.persistent data path will be saved in the same spot every time. It's determined by Unity. It's hard to find for some reason. Actually, it's not that hard to find. If file.exists. Okay, string p. I want to make sure. It gets the right spot to look for the file. Because to load an image, you need to load it from a file. And files can be moved at any time. In a new pathing. And then, okay, that's might be good. Okay, so someone said crayons are yummy. All right. Does it exist? If not, try a relative file. Next one said Can I have mod please? I never had it. No, I'm not giving out free mod. I'm not gonna not gonna let that happen. Okay, so this is the bubble wrap save files. It's got a bunch of stuff. I tried to add cookie bubbles before. I'll get rid of that. So what we can do is make a new folder, name it mods. Now we can move them here. Okay, what is it with the emoji spam? What? Okay, so we can do fire in the hole. We can do normal face. And then this is the harder face. Okay. And then we change the file. So it's fire in the hole. And then we have normal face, harder face, and then this can be normal face. Okay, save that. We got files. We got the thing to tell you what the files should do. We have some epic code. Let's click play. Oh dear, there's an error. Else callback dot invoke null return. Why that? Huh. Oh, that should be in here. There. Good. Yay! Okay, so someone's spamming what moderators can do. Moderators can help review and manage comments users leave on videos or the messages participants send during your live stream's chat. Okay, I'm not giving anyone that. I am a YouTube. Can I eat your microphone? There you go. I hope you had a nice bite there. It's already got a bit of a dent. I had a bit of a chew. Okay, let's load the project. Okay, someone's still spamming what moderators do. I saw that. Okay. I think it loaded. We got a bit of a problem here. They're not geometry dash faces, they're brown squares. Huh. I don't think it loaded properly. I need to stay hydrated. Someone said I ate a bit. Good. I hope you like the microphone. Yeah, maybe I can do. So I'm adding error messages just for me. File not found. Do these match? Yeah, they match. Just need to make. I don't really know what's wrong, and the problem with debugging is it's just you staring and you're like, and so I might be doing that a bit. Oh, what? How's the errors? I don't allow errors. Errors are banned. Okay. People are dabbing. Great. Y'all know the fire in the hole meme? No. No one knows it. This is a way to get free engagement on the live stream. Oh, what? How the errors? Yes, give me all the engagement. Okay, Unity sure takes a while, and the chat is actually terrible at the moment. Uh-oh. And what? Unity did all that time to load, and then it just then it unloaded. Thanks. Okay. So, I got these. These are error bubbles. It means something went wrong. Okay. File not found. Huh. Okay. New pathing. I just need to test some stuff, because it's not finding the files. Oh, it's meant to have an S. Okay, that one letter wrong. Okay. Oh dear, we're getting Yat in the chat. We're getting I am Riley, the Windows 11 guy. Wow. I can see why the viewership numbers have dwindled drastically. Okay, when this works, this is going to be the best feature. I actually don't know how Steam Workshop works, like how the Steam Workshop works. So I'm going to make it so mods work and then figure out Steam stuff later. I don't think I'm legally allowed to show Steam stuff on stream, because I signed an NDA or something like that. What? Invalid AAB and AA. Okay, that's fine. No one cares. Okay, maybe someone does care. Oh dear. So we got 95 errors. Okay, no, it increases. I probably should figure out what that means. Unity in the error. Do you know Geometry Dash? Yes, unfortunately. Enter your primary password. I won't show that on stream. It's definitely really secure. What? Oh, I spelt it wrong. Okay, this can be caused for having a non-number value in one of UI elements. Unity forums suck. Okay, ChatGPT. Help! I am getting in Unity. Help me, please. I need you. The invalid AABB error in Unity is typically. Okay, so that's all nice and all ChatGPT, but I'm not even using physics. It's talking about, oh, make sure your physics settings are right. It happens when I load a sprite. Actually, the problem could be, here. Text dot height. Dear, what? And I think it might be 0 pixels big. Yeah, alright. I think that could be it. Who knows, though. And is ChatGPT... Yeah, it said check sprite size anyway. Okay, error in ChatGPT code on the stream in the water. That's fine, no one cares. I did actually say that. Okay. Let's see if we get any invalid AABB in AABB. Does that work for like fire in the hole? It's AABB and AABB. Oh. Oh. Okay. I might need to. Yeah. Do you love that? This is peak gaming right here. Okay, it's still got the bread sound effects. And also it didn't update very well. But oh, now I just need to make it so it's got the sound effect. So that's loading the custom bubbles properly. Well, somewhat properly. Okay, and then everyone's gonna like... A question, have you got your driver's license? Yes. No, actually I got my learner's driver's license, which means I can drive with mum in the car, watching me so I don't crash. I'm overdue to actually get my full one. That's too cool. I hope you're talking about the code I made. Okay, and now I need some ChatGPT. Load audio clip from file Unity. And then we can... Oh, thanks. Thank you. And now we get a void load sound. So we want this fire on the whole sound effect. But for that we'll actually need to load it. String half. Okay, ChatGPT, like, okay, ChatGPT is telling me something that doesn't exist. Thanks. Wait. Okay, I think ChatGPT just made something up. Is not real. You should add rush E sound pop equals E note. Watch the Despicable Me 4 trailer plus. No. Copyright. Oh. Wants me to do something else now. Okay. Those don't exist. I think it's using unity.www networking. Using Unity engine dot okay, yeah, now what? I think I want it to be MP3. MPEG, yeah, sure. So, still barely working. Wait. Oh, it's barely working. I mean, it's not working. And then we want async. So, I'm doing it a bit more complicated so it can load the sound without waiting the entire game for it to load the sound. Make it performance improvements. Okay. So I want to give it the yeah. Now there's still an error. What? Cannot be an iterator block. I've never seen this error before. New error just dropped? I don't use ChatGPT. I don't really use it too often, but like it's easier to just ask it and then I can get along with doing something else. Because a lot of Google articles are just written by ChatGPT anyway. It helps a lot with code. Will you answer my question, Donutask? I don't know what your question is. Okay, maybe, I don't, is it this? I think it might need to be in a, okay, I think I know what I need to do. Enumerator. Actually load sound. Okay, so new error just dropped. I think I figured out what I need to do. Someone said goodbye. Bye. Oh, no, I don't even need this. Wait. I'm being a bit goofy. Okay, who knew loading a sound effect from a file could be a bit tricky? Actually load sound. I think it can just be load sound. Okay, and then we can start coroutine. That does something. Sound dot sound. Oh. 4. Okay, I need to move this up. Okay. So, need to do some stuff. I need to loop through every sound because a bubble can have multiple different sounds, so it doesn't sound repetitive. Okay, so I need to do for each path in sound dot sounds. Path, and then I'll need to do something here. So when we get the audio, we actually use it. Add chicka chicka boom boom bubbles. I'll need to find. Well, after this works, I'll be able to add any bubble from a file. Okay, needs to be audio clip, audio, and then we can So I'm a bit quiet. My voice is getting a bit tired. Make it so open sound and media player problem solved. You do know. Okay. Bubble sounds. Okay. Nope. My up arrow is broken, so I have to use the numpad. And I always forget to turn change num lock. Okay, so I think it's bubble sound. So could be just sound data. What is it actually called? Bubble sound group. Great. Sound group. Oh no, just it can be S. Okay. So what this does is stores sounds. I know. Okay. So make empty class, add to list. I want to upload image to bubbles. Yep, so this system will let you do that. S dot clips dot add. Oh, is it an right. I'll have to do I think what I need to do is change this to a list. Using system.collections, because there's, unlike Scratch, there's arrays and lists. There's arrays and lists, and then you can add stuff to lists, but you can't add stuff to arrays. Blah 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 blah. Dot add audio. That might work. Okay, and also need to do s.id. Are you using Python, JavaScript, or what? I'm using C#, so I'm using Unity. And Unity uses C#, and C# is the best programming language. I lied. Okay, it has good default settings, it should be. Dot clips equals new list. Okay, loop through each. Hello, hi, someone said hi, Donutask. Hi. Element in list. Load sound and add to list. Oh. Okay. Yeah, so got an error. Thanks. This is a simple one-word change. Because there's lists and there's arrays. Arrays, you get the length of a list with dot length. Lists, you get the length of a list with dot count. They're pretty much the same thing, but they're different for some reason. Ugh. Okay, C, C+, or C++. C#. So that's different. They all start with C, but they're all different. So C# is C hashtag. I'm the one who said after 8 billion years he has finally uploaded. Do you remember? I get a lot of comments. I don't remember everyone, sorry. Okay. Huh? We've got an error. Great. But I might change the volume so it's just the bubbles. Okay, so we've got an error. What was the error? Index out of range. Okay. Huh. I think the thing is, okay, maybe I should change this to dot success. Should maybe make this so it always gives you an error if there is an error. I don't know why ChatGPT gave me crappy code. Because the problem is, I think, is the file doesn't actually exist. So then it's not telling me that it doesn't exist. I think I could make this a new function. String get path. String path. Return. So what I want to do is make it so it tries to find everything it can to give you a good path. Like, because you could have the full address of the file, or you could just have the last bit. I want to do everything I can to try and load your file. What type of game is it? I just joined. Okay, so the game is bubble wrap. It's like you pop bubbles. I'll show you in like 2 seconds when I get this bit of code working. It's meant to be a relaxing game. Okay. Huh? Oh, that was a weird error. And then I'll still give you errors. Who cares? I started streaming. You seem very chill when you stream. If you had to give tips on how to stay cool and what you used to say, it's hard to stay cool and not have anxiety. Oh, I'm very awkward. Yeah, I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm just talking and looking at the chat. I don't really have any tips. I don't really know what I'm doing myself. Sorry. You'll have to look at like one of the actually good streamers. Sorry about that. Someone said I never heard of C#. That's interesting. Yeah, there's so many different programming languages. Okay, so we got geometry dash normal face.
Fire in the hole! Fire in the hole! Fire in the hole! Fire!
I hope your ears are fine with this. This is the best thing I've ever made.
Fire in the hole! Fire in the hole!
I hope your ears are fine after that. Oh, that's a bug. It shouldn't do that, eh? iOS, please. I don't have a Mac. You need a Mac to be able to put things on iOS. There is an Android app because Android isn't stupid. But to make an iOS app, you need a Mac with a special program. Do you know what Chicka Chicka Boom is? No. Okay, I do that. The operators kicked me for some reason. Someone asked, why are you doing GD? Oh, I just thought it'd be funny. It's to demonstrate that you can add your own custom bubbles. Okay, I might turn this down. And I thought it would be kind of stupid enough.
Fire in the hole! Fire in the hole!
Okay, well, now we need an icon for the sounds. I didn't know sounds could have icons. I didn't know I made that exist. So menu icon, okay. So I'll need a public string icon. Okay, so why are you doing GD? Yes or no? Yeah, so it's because I thought it would be funny, and just to demonstrate that you can add your own custom stuff. Okay, this code needs some comments. Okay, so I want to get sprite. Sound dot icon, and then we want s dot menu icon. Nope. Oh dear. Start menu icon equals sprite. Yeah. Get icon for the menu. Looked like a really satisfying game. Oh, thank you. I like the simplicity. Thank you. How's the stream going? Going well. Someone said good night. Bye. Someone said hi. Don't remember me. I actually think I do remember that, you Pingu. How's the stream going? Someone just... Oh, you don't have to ask the same question multiple times. There is a bit of stream delay, remember? Tries to get... I'm just gonna add some comments now. Okay, that's a comment. So comments tell you what the stuff does. Load. Peg. So I can just see what it does from our file. How much will the game be? I haven't really done a set price, but it is gonna cost something. I want to do a free trial, maybe with like limited customization options or something like that. Creates a sprite from a texture 2D. Comments saying so fun. Loads texture and converts to sprite. Someone saying hello. I was too lazy to join. Wow. Okay. And now I think what we can do is preview. I actually forgot what I called the thing. Oh, it's icon, okay. So this is the data for the custom sounds and bubbles. So you tell it an ID so you can find it again, the sound effects you want, the icon you want, and for bubbles it's the pop thing. It's before you pop it, after you pop it, and the preview, so in the menus. Okay, this chat's just spam at the moment. Yeah, the stream delay is not the same with all streams. Does someone know how to make it faster or slower? I think there actually is an option to decrease the latency, but I'm not sure if that makes my computer more laggy. I don't want my computer any more laggy than it is. Steam free trial? You mean a demo or an actual free trial? I think I mean more like a demo. Like you'll have the game but with limited features or something like that. But it's nothing set in stone. Don't ask. I made a new spot for you. What do you mean? New spot? Is it night in Australia? Nope. It's 10:30 a.m.
Fire in the hole!
Okay, I don't know why I find this funny.
Fire in the hole!
But that's the sound's got an icon now. Oh dear. Also, that's meant to be, you're meant to make the images white so it colors properly. But because the color just adds a tint. Okay, now you want to get rid of some of these loading messages. What tastes better, air or clouds? Huh? Okay, get rid of all these messages. Okay. You're not stopping them from popping. What? You are not, like, stopping them from popping. I don't know what that means. So now I want to try something. I want to try what happens if I just get rid of some of the, if I get rid of the sounds for a sound effect. What would happen there? Because people like to break stuff. I want to make sure my game works if you try to break stuff. Okay. Oh, it's 6:30 in North America. 6:30 in the morning or afternoon. Why do I get ads? It's YouTube. YouTube loves its ads. Okay. Yeah, so I have to do if. So I have to check if the sounds exist. Bye, I have to play GD. Bye. Pop-It Simulator? Yeah. The, pretty much. Oh dear, Unity takes years to load. I have an idea. Will you make, like, the possibility to put a PNG image and the bubbles look like it? Yes! That's just what I've been working on. I want to make a live stream, but I don't have 50 sub. Do you need 50 subscribers to live stream? Oh dear. Well, post some videos, I guess. Maybe you could try Twitch or something. I'm not sure what the requirements are there. Yeah, so I'll need to check if the sound has sounds. If sound dot so I need to check if you've actually got sounds. Okay, so okay, so that's something I need to check. You need to check if you've got sound effects. Also, I need one of my scripts here. I've got a million scripts. Give me a second. Customize bubble screen. So if there's no if you don't give an icon, it probably should show a placeholder icon. Oh dear, I forgot how this works. Feel free to just steal this code. Actually, don't steal the code. Actually, bubble sound cards. Yeah. If image dot sprite. Those normal faces shout to me, fire in the hole. Yep, they do actually say fire in the hole. If image dot sprite equal null. Okay, I need a placeholder. Wait, no. Image dot sprite. I need a placeholder. So sprite, sound card placeholder icon. That's a great name. Okay. Don't ask, are we allowed to put links in the chat? I think YouTube automatically bans those. So I want to add I need to get an icon. So I found this site. It's called Phosphor Icons. I'm not sponsored or anything, but what? Is my icon website not working? Oh, okay. So this is like the best icon website. Could I be an operator in the future? I won't mess anything up. Tell me what I should allow. No, I'm not even doing I'm not giving you operator. Wait, bro can't sync his audio with video, lol. Wait, is it desynced? Oh dear. I didn't even notice that. So what was I getting? Oh, sound. So this can be our placeholder. I want it to be white. Do we download a PNG? And then I need to actually get it. I'll move the file explorer across. I don't want you looking through my downloads. How do you make someone's name orange? I think you have to @ them. Or I might just make my name orange because I'm the streamer. It gives me special treatment. Okay. Icons. Then we move this speaker. Okay, so oh, I already had an icon here. Wow, so that was a waste of time. Already had one in the project. So now I just need to drag it in because Unity. Okay. Here. Oh, also. So see this list here, named colors? I'll show you what that does. Because this is something you could be involved in. How many errors have you got in Unity? Don't ask. 1 million. So many errors. Oh, Jackson Academy. I think your index was out of range, but that might just be me. Wow, really? This seems doable in Scratch. Yeah, I have made bubble wrap in Scratch. Okay, so let's change this to normal. Edit colors. I'll make this full screen for you. So edit colors. If you click that, you can do donut. It'll make my Donutask blue. You can do ugly. It'll make it an ugly color. You can do like red and stuff. We'll give you that. But I'll make it so you can add your name into the bubble wrap color picker. So, see this code here? Hashtag FF0000. That's called a hexadecimal color code. So you can go to a website, like you can just Google hex color, or like color picker, get this code, paste it with the name you want. It has to be under 7 characters. And we could put your name into the bubble wrap color picker. So just pick your favorite color. I think I've got colors like Mario. We get Mario red, and there's also Luigi. Get Luigi green. So comment your color suggestions. I'll actually add those. Well, if they're not inappropriate, of course. Wait. Okay, I want to get rid of that. Yeah, so also I was working on making it so if you don't have an sprite, it will... No, if you don't have sounds, it won't play sounds. Okay, so... Yeah, so it's not playing anything. And it's not giving me errors. Okay, oh! Jackson Academy, $2. Add Jackson Academy to color picker, please. So, it has to be set under 7 characters, because it won't fit, but I can see if I can add Jackson. And I don't know what color you want to be under. Where did I put it? Okay, so we can add... I think we could add Jackson. And I'll... make it... You haven't told me the color you want. Wait. Maybe I'll have to look up and get a color picker. Okay. Let's see what a good color would be. Can it include spaces? Yeah, I think. I'm not sure. I'll remove spaces if it doesn't allow it. Okay. So, Jackson Academy. Let's just grab... Oh dear. The color picker's lagging. How bad is my computer? What? Why can't I open the color picker? You can have the dark purple in your banner. If you want another color, you better tell me. Okay, and then we can have... So what other ones are there? My name is Victor and I like red. Okay. You can have Victor Red. You can have a nice bright red. Jackson Academy purple. Yeah, you get purple. Pingu. I want Pingu. You haven't told me a color. Is this game gonna? What? Okay, so Jackson Academy's a purple. Purple, yeah. Is the game gonna be free? No, I think it'll be paid because it takes a long time to develop. Add Riley to the color picker. Color should be red. Okay. Riley. Nope. And if you want a specific shade of red, you can give me a hexadecimal color code. Just Google color picker and I should give you something like that. Oh, here we go. I can add Boscher and this specific color. Oh, nice pink. And I have to make sure they're lowercase, otherwise my system doesn't work. Pingu, please. You need to give me a color. LX to make it the weirdest red ever. What is the weirdest red ever? Maybe we can have like... Yeah, that's a weird red. Egg, please. Oh, Pingy said blackish blue. And then we can have blue. That's a... maybe like that. And then we have... egg, please. Egg? Sure. What does egg look like? Do we want... I reckon that's a good egg color. Pink, blackish blue, rook, and then that code, okay. Capitalization doesn't do anything, by the way. Jelly. So jelly. Did I not copy the code? Because it's I'm going to ignore what the meaning is of this. It's a nice shade of blue. Okay, and I think that's all the ones that have been submitted. So, just for you being in the chat, your name is in bubble wrap now. As a color. Okay, so if I load this again, stay hydrated. Oh, too hydrated. Okay. I need to actually full screen it so you can see. Okay, bubble. Okay, so we can have Pingu. We get a bluish, blackish blue. We can have Jackson, which is a purplish. Oh, probably it's not as purple as it should be. I think it's because, errors, who cares? Okay, Jackson. Yeah, there was Riley. Nice red. And there was LX. Ugly red. And then there was Egg. Oh. And there was Rook. Yeah. And then Jelly. Okay, so there's your colors in there. Now that you're in the game, I might need to fix the errors. Ah, there's an error in the JSON itself, okay. Probably should check for that, eh? Okay, I might need to void load data when you get 200. So custom stuff data, and then this, just think I copy all this. Hope it works. Don't think that worked. Okay. We can load data. Yaha. And now we can do my favorite thing called try catch. So what try catch does is if it tries to do something, and if it doesn't work, instead of giving an error, we ignore it. So this is how you get no errors in your code. You try to do it, you catch the error, and you go like, lol, no error here. But I probably should actually tell you that there was one. Debug.log exception e. Okay. Oh. Okay, so there's another color suggestion. I think this can be the last one. Oh dear. Someone said, can the people who got their colors get a key? I think I might give channel members a key, because I've done nothing for channel members. I go like, oh, please sign up, but I don't actually give you guys anything. Okay, another color suggestion. You can have speedy, and then dark red. That doesn't really look dark red to me. Yeah, that's dark red. Okay, so any errors? No. Okay. The suspense. Wow, it sure is taking its time. Okay. Value cannot be null. Okay. Oh, that should be a darker color. Okay. Should be black. Might need to put some code in to make it so you can see the icons. What does the key do? Oh, so a Steam key gives you access to a Steam game for free. And it can also give you access to a game before it's even released. But to actually get Steam keys, you have to apply. And I think I got one for my friend. I don't even have it up on Steam. Bro, chill. Is that to me? Donut, I'm your biggest fan. Thanks. Do you have a Discord server? Nah. No Discord server. But I'm in a bunch of other Scratch YouTubers servers. Okay, I want to get rid of this message. That should be an error. Okay. Make a Discord server. Nah, I don't really want a Discord server. I want to focus more on YouTube stuff than having to manage a Discord server. That's too much effort. And also, I don't want to be a Discord moderator, like a literal Discord moderator. Oh. Okay. What will the price be? I haven't decided on that yet. Hey, key, I do not want to spend money. I don't want to get the demo. Well, tough luck there, buddy. I can make a Discord server for you. Well, yeah, I'm sure you can make a Discord server. It's just I'm not going to be in it. Not really much having a Donutask Discord without Donutask. Oh, Uni takes 10 billion years to open. So, what we can have now is sounds, which literally don't have a sound or an icon, so it's just a button. Yeah, and now I want to make sure that this works, even if you don't have a even if you don't have certain things. So, literally, I'm going to delete these. There's errors and it's not even running. No. No, 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 no. Stop giving me errors. Please stop. Don't you dare. Okay, maybe I just have to keep it running because there's errors. It's not even my code. The code's not running anymore. Okay. JSON pass error. It's probably that. Okay, there's no more errors anymore. Okay. When did you start Scratch? 2016. I was in grade 6 in primary school. Make it $2. There's currencies and stuff. It's probably... Oh, what? Yeah, so that's an error. Okay. So now I want to fix these errors. Wait, Donut, are you British? I'm Australian. She's from Australia. If string dot. So if you don't give your game if you don't give the game a file to load, it'll just return no. Okay. If path is null, callback dot invoke null. So if you don't give it a file, it'll just give up. Because it shouldn't try to load something that doesn't exist. Yeah, it's different in a coding moment. If text, if you don't give it a texture, oh no, it's callback.invoke null and then return. So just need to add all these checks. So if it doesn't exist, it won't try to do stuff with stuff that doesn't exist. Blah 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 blah. It's got errors. Oh no, they're gone. Message retracted. Oh dear. Eyes blowing. Will the game save the textures forever? So the textures are stored in a. Okay, the textures are stored in a file called mods.json. A JSON file is JavaScript object notation. It's a standard way of storing stuff. Stuff is stored in here, and then it references files in here, and then it'll stay there as long as you have the files all in place. Oh, Bow is here. Is it Ball Bow? Yo. So people who just joined, you can add your own. The color picker. Oh dear. The color picker I've got here, it's got custom colors in it. So if you do Mario, it'll do red for Mario. If you do Riley, it'll give you red. Or if you do Jackson, it'll give you purple, because they just super chatted and made me add their color to it. But you can add your color to the color picker. Just comment what you want it to be. Okay, so I want to see if there's errors with this. It's not, okay. Probably should make it if it's non-existent, it'll give you the error bubble. Oh dear, there's no comments here. Get current bubble data, get current bubble sprite, get bubble sprite. Return null. Okay, if item dot pop sprite equal. So if it doesn't exist, we'll just return an error bubble. Okay. Oh, what? Error bubble dot sprite. Yaha. Okay. When did you start YouTube? It was a year ago. Update to Windows 11? No, Windows 11 actually sucks. Even though it says you're the Windows 11 guy. Unpopped sprite. Unpopped sprite. Add mother, which is light red. Okay, I'll add that in 2 seconds. So these are just all checks to make sure that if you try to break it, it won't break. Because bubble wrap is perfect and will never break. How much will we be adding to this game? Is it almost done? Yeah, it's almost done. So I'm adding this feature so you can add your own bubbles. So it's good to add like modding support and all that sort of stuff. So if I don't update the game, you guys can. And I just want to clean up some stuff. There's a couple bugs. By a couple, I mean a lot of bugs. And there's some things that don't work. Like, if you click some certain stuff, it will try to. I'll just show you something. Okay, good, it's working. It's showing you the error bubble. So I've got this, which saves combinations of stuff like backgrounds and bubbles, but the list is broken. that needs fixing. And also, I want to make the background look better than a plain color. I want to add like images and stuff. And also, there needs to be a button to delete background presets. Because see, you can save them, you can add new ones, but you can't delete them. Which is a bit stupid. I also want to add the Steam achievements. So Steam achievements kind of work, they don't really work though. Actually, they don't work at all, but those are meant to be unlocked. Yeah. And just some stuff like that. Also, something I need to do is actually make the credits up to date. Just a lot of little things. I don't want to add anything much to any more big stuff. Okay. So now I need to add the color suggestions. Okay, so we want, add mother, not mother. No, moth. Oh, you want moth. Okay, not mother. Okay. Moth, light red. That looks like a light red. What other color suggestions do we have? Brady, which is light blue. So your favorite colors are now officially in bubble wrap. It might lag. We might have so many it might lag the color picker. Okay, join my Discord. No. How can I get on an ad on a stream? I don't even know that it was possible. Oh, like advertisements. Yeah, YouTube adds those in. I'm losing my brain power after watching this stream for 3 hours. Oh dear, I've been on here for 3 hours. I meant to say morph. Yeah, I saw that. Make a secret error bubble skin when you do the Konami code. I actually might do that. That's funny. But I just want to make sure this works. Okay. Loading. Gotta go. Bye-bye. Are mods in demo? Probably not. That's if I do a demo. Oh, I need a, there's an option to make it full screen when you play, and I forget to do that. Okay, there's an error here. It should show an error bubble. Huh. Okay. So it's not showing error bubbles in the UI. Oopsie. Coding. Get bubbles manager dot get bubble sprite dot id preview. Why does it not have an ID? Is it name? A key. Okay, that should give you the correct icon. I want free key. No, I can't just do that. Wait. Deadlocked. I want free key. I barely have any money. I know. I can't just give everyone the game for free, otherwise that defeats the point of it being paid for. Oh, something happened with the stream there. Okay. Oh, what? This. Huh? Unity just crashed. No? Okay. Wait, what? The stream's now at 9 viewers? Wow. Everyone left? I can't believe it. This is the most enjoyable content ever. Watching me code. Yeah, so now we got error bubble. Okay, now if I add stuff back in, if I add the stuff back in, okay, yaha, we can have, oh dear, this mess here. And now if I add everything back in, it should work. Nuh-uh, I didn't leave. Fur and hole. Oh, Unity, I could have a whole nap. Oh, finally. Okay, and then full screen. Okay, that's a bit of a problem. Because if I refresh... Oh, no! Let's change the color back to...
Fire in the hole!
Wait, why doesn't it refresh the pop ones? That's an error.
Fire in the hole! Fire in the hole!
Okay, I might turn the sound down so your ears don't bleed.
Fire in the hole!
The icons are meant to change color when you change the color, by the way. But this is peak content right here. What is wrong with it? What? Oh, because there's another color. Okay. That okay works. So this is what custom bubbles can let you have. Can let you have absolute peak content. Oh. Well, I changed the sound. What? Donutask's sound system sucks. What? Okay, there's a couple bugs, but it's somewhat works. I might have to debug stuff off stream, but if you want custom bubbles, you can make custom bubbles. So I can add that as a preset. Wow, this is peak gaming right here. We can change it to this. We can make the background like that. Can go to the advanced settings, which aren't really that advanced at all. Reset it. Can have a sheet. We can create one. It's called lobotomy dash. Okay, and then if we scroll down here past the testing I did, you can just change the bubbles to this. So that's how wait. So that's custom bubbles and bubble wrap. I hope you enjoyed the stream. I've been talking for like 3 hours straight. Thank you for the 9 people who watched me code, and I'll see you later, I guess. Bye bye.